Are your users having a hard time navigating your website? Is it a victim of constant spam searches? Use the Search Console WordPress plugin to direct users to relevant content and protect your website from malicious bots. Suggest terms and phrases on the fly based on what the user is typing. Funnel visitors to what's most relevant. Direct users based on what they search for. For instance, the term support or help can all send them to the Contact Us page. Replace words and avoid typos and undesired words, or ban certain undesired terms altogether. Block users who insist on using these malicious searches and don't let them hog down your site's performance. Improve your search constantly, add redirects and auto-suggestions. The search log panel helps you find typos, unexpected searches, and spam requests. The default WordPress search is useful but severely lacking. Use the Search Console WordPress plugin to help your users find what's more important straight away.